Hello, welcome to the class of HTML5 programming. So today we are going to discuss about the slider form control and the spinner form control. So in this slider form control, this slider form control provides the visual interactive user interface that accepts the numerical information. So here the input element with type equals to range, this one type equals to range, configures a slider control in which a number within a specified its range. So here these numbers specified its range. Minimum number is 1 and maximum is 100. And here you can see that I have also configured this another attribute, that is step attribute. So here these attributes, that is minimum attribute that will configure the minimum range, maximum attribute configure the maximum range, and whereas the step attribute configures a value for the incremental step between the values. So here you can see that I have configured the range from 1 to 100, and here I have added this heading. There I want to add submitted value. So if you will enter here or add a spinner, if you remove this slider and make any change in the value, then value will be appear here. Submitted value is that. So to display this value, I have used this scripting tag. So this script tag is used to define a client-side scripting in the JavaScript, but in HTML this is used for the form validation process. So this is part of JavaScript, but you have to only remember this part, that is this for the HTML program. So save it, and now let's run this program, how it will be displayed in the browser. For that you have to go to run and click launch in Chrome. So it will display like this. So if you will slide over these values, then you can see that it will display this value here, that is here we are in 59. If you will move it toward the 100, then it will show this 73, and if you will click here it will show you 99, and if you will click here it will show you 1. So in this way you can get the numerical information by sliding this slider over this range, that is 1 to 100. Coming to the next part or the next program that is designed for this, that is spinner form control. So here this spinner form control display an interface that accepts the numerical value and provide the feedback to the user. So in this, either we can type a number in a text box or we can select a number from a specified range. So here you can see that I have configured this input type attribute equals to number, and with that I have used this name attribute, id attribute, and with that I have specified the range, that is minimum and maximum range. And here also I have configured this scripting tag. So coming to, let's display this program, how it will be displayed in browser. For that you have to go to run and click launch in Chrome. So you can see that it will display like this, whereas slider will display like this with the slider over this range, and in spinner it will spin the value from here. So you can see that the value which will display here in this text box will be displayed here, or you can enter the value by yourself, like you can write here 10, so 19, it will display here as 19. If you will write here 15, it will display here 15. So if you will reduce the value, it will show these values. So these are the slider and the spinner form control. So this is all about the slider and the spinner form control in HTML. Thank you.